Welcome, students. Welcome to a new day, a new academic year. Now, of course, you're wondering whether this year is going to be any different to last year. Well, if there are 3 lessons we can learn of happiness, we can learn it from the past, the present, and the future. From the past, we learned lesson of gratitude. Be thankful for the gifts and blessings we have received yesterday. If this morning you woke up and you had what you had yesterday, be thankful for that. If you don't, be thankful that you had it. If you have more than yesterday, be overjoyed for it. The lesson we can learn from the present is to be mindful of where we are, what's around us. Soak in, breathe in, live in our surroundings. I know it's a dangerous time out there, but for our moment here, in our space, in time, this is all we have. In the words of Oogway from Kung Fu Panda, remember what he said. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. From the future, we learn our 3rd lesson, patience. Tomorrow will come. And when tomorrow comes, it will be today. But what we do today shapes and defines our tomorrow. There's no need to be chasing after things, big things in life, running the rat race in life. Sometimes, if you're patient enough, the good things, the small things, the beautiful things in life can come to us.
In His time, He makes all things beautiful. In His time, Lord, please show me every day as You're teaching me a way that to do just what You say in Your time.
He makes all things beautiful in His time.